So today I am at the village called Kadobinko village. I showed you the area view of that Kadobinko village when we're doing First Avenue of Gwarinpa Housing Estate. I promised that I'm going to show you what it also looks like. So if you want to actually stay in this environment because that's what you can afford, or because you can afford what the real Gwarinpa Estate offers, people also come here to live. So this is a very small village called Kadobinko village, and I'm going to take you around this village so you will see it for what it is, and also know that people actually live here as well. And it's right in the middle of Gwarinpa Housing Estate. I don't know really how to describe this place, but it's better seen than described. So please take your time to take a tour of this neighborhood with me. Those who can't afford to live even in a corner shop, come here and live. So. Hello. Okay, guys. So this is what is left of the original space that has now become developed as Gwarinpa Housing Estate. This is primarily occupied by the original owners or original settlers in the FCT, the Gwari people, but many visitors to Abuja who can afford a livelihood in a very developed place choose to come here to settle. So, good evening. Good evening, thank you. So this is one of such neighborhoods where they still live, the settlers still live, but are now joined by visitors who can afford to stay here. But, so don't forget that the market is at the surface part, but I still want to take you around the general area where people live in this place. People actually raise families here, as you can see. No, son. So here it says do not urinate here. Of course, if you live in a place like this, you expect people to, come pee just by your window. I don't know how they live here, but people really live here, and there is families here as well. As I'm going deeper and deeper.
Remember, you don't forget before
So I'm just gonna take you inside to show you more. Hello. So, families actually live here and raise children here. You won't believe this, but that's the reality on ground. Hello, where's the road here, right? Okay, where's the road? Okay, the other side. Okay, thank you. Right, so I'm almost lost. Everywhere looks like a road until I enter into someone's room. Good afternoon. How are you? Hello. Okay, guys, I'm literally crouching to pass through some of the corners. Okay, I'm lost in the village. What about here? It's also a compound. Okay, thank you. Right. So I'm going back the way I came. So I don't enter into someone's house.
Okay, can I do something?
Thank you. At the front, this is what the market side of Kadobinko village looks like. And many people actually come here for shopping. People who live in Gwarinpa and beyond come to this market area to shop. So I'm going to show you what the market part of Kadobinko village actually looks like. So you find fruits in this market, you find all sorts of groceries, food stuff, food items, water, whatever you want, edibles. You find them in this market. So like if you want to buy fruits, you can come to this place and buy all sorts of fruits. And you know, find this fine gentleman here. How are you? Well done. Yeah, so this is the market part of Kadobinko village. And as you go deeper inside, you'll find the village itself where people live. Let's go a little deeper into Kadobinko village. So the houses you find here are basically huts, mostly mud houses. And
My hair cream is not there though.
It's not there.
since it's here. So many road networks that you get confused as to which road to follow. Hello. How now? Good to see you. Sanunku. Yeah. So people live in this friends. Hello. Sanuku. Oga. Fine, how you dey?
Fine, how you dey?
We dey manage our body.
Fine, sir.
You dey enjoy you. See how fresh you look. Now this share you dey drink since. Now share you dey Oga. Now you dey give am share where they make am look fresh like this, ba. We dey manage. Ayakaswa. Son, yo, son. How business?
Fine.
Okay.
Thank you.
Well done, eh?
Thank you, sir.
I said make a visit to the neighborhood.
No, you're fine.
Well done, sir. So guys, this is what this village looks like, and I hope you've learned more about it. If it's the kind of place you would like to live, it's up for grabs. Mine is to show you the neighborhoods. Yours is to take a decision as to where to live. I'll show you the best, I'll show you the worst, and whatever decisions you make as to where to live is all yours. Thank you for watching this video. Let's wait for the next one.